One of the biggest benefits of a formal training in screenwriting, according to me, is that it helps to give you a certain method in all of the writing madness.
It's a great idea that before starting your career as a professional screenwriter or even pursuing your passion project, you familiarize yourself with the basic elements of the craft and also to be aware about the entire process of screenwriting.
There are very few good courses when it comes to screenwriting for television and web series, and I'm so glad that Script Litmus Mumbai is organizing this program.
I can personally vouch for the fact that if you're seriously looking for a career in this field, then this kind of a foundational background can really come in handy.
The course was mostly about writing for TV and writing for the web, and it really helped me understand how TV writing is so different from writing from films because it's a whole different skill set.
As a teacher, Vinod sir is very accessible and proactive. What helped me the most was the weekly feedback session and group analysis of our writings with Vinod sir. Because of this, I was able to develop critical thinking and put this skill to use, as now I'm working for Netflix.
When I started my professional training for writing under the guidance of Mr. Vinod Rangnath, finally my stories found their way out. Vinod's teaching has helped me understand and analyze different forms of writing.
During the master classes, they gave us insight into how they develop their characters, the concept, and it helped me when I was working with production houses.
I think what makes this course better than like reading 20 books on screenwriting is the guidance you get from Vinod sir.
ये क्लासेस सिर्फ एक बेसिक स्क्रीन राइटिंग तक ही रिस्ट्रिक्टेड नहीं थी. अलग अलग जोनर्स के इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट्स के साथ हमारा रेगुलर इंटरेक्शन होता था.
We were taught everything from thinking of a concept to sticking to the concept and developing it, and we were taught was how to pitch our shows when we're done with them, when we're done writing. It was one of the best learning experiences that I've had with my life.
मैंने क्राइम पेट्रोल, सावधान इंडिया, लाल इश्क, डायन जैसे शोज़ के स्ट्रक्चर भी डिज़ाइन किए हैं, साथ में उनके कुछ एपिसोड भी लिखे हुए हैं. इसके अलावा मैं आज एक वेब सीरीज़ लिख रहा हूँ, लेकिन ये सब कुछ इसलिए मुमकिन हो पाया कि मेरे पास एक बेहतरीन मेंटोरशिप थी और एक बेहतरीन मेंटोर था. विनोद रंगनाथ सर आपके लिए एक बेहतरीन विकल्प है.
When I did this course, I understood what my weaknesses are in writing, what my strengths are, and how to play on my strengths. I understood what kind of genres should I be writing, what kind of stories do I want to tell. There are hundreds and thousands of books on screenwriting, but the right books to read and that have been passed down and which will make me a better writer in the long run.
I joined this course और विनोद सर की गाइडेंस में मुझे स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग की क्राफ्ट सीखने को मिली. रीवर्क्स की इंपॉर्टेंस समझ में आई. डेडलाइंस को मीट करने का प्रेशर कैसे हैंडल करते हैं ये समझ में आया.
Script Litmus Mumbai all the very best.
I'd like to wish Script Litmus all the very best.
Best of luck, Script Litmus Mumbai.
I wish all the very best to SLM and all the participants.